Good evening, students. Today we are discussing the topic magnetic effects of electric currents in a new heading. A current carrying wire develops magnetic field surrounding it, and this magnetic field is a vector quantity. It is notified by B vector. Its value can be determined by Biot-Savart's rule, which is not in your course. But you should think that this magnetic field decreases with the distance. Whenever you will move away from the wire, magnetic field reduces. And direction of magnetic field can be determined by right hand thumb rule. According to this rule, if we will hold a current carrying wire in our right hand in such a way that thumb is in the direction of electric current, then curly fingers surrounding it represents magnetic field lines. Suppose a current carrying wire is perpendicular to the board and direction of current is inwards. Due to this current carrying wire, we are finding direction of magnetic field at point P. So according to the rule, first of all, we should hold the wire in our right hand. In this way, that thumb is in the direction of electric current, then curly fingers surrounding it represents magnetic field lines. So these are magnetic field lines. If you are finding direction of magnetic field at point P, you should extend this line up to the point P. Center of these magnetic field lines is wire itself. So one of our line is passing through point P. Now what to do? You should make a tangent at point P. Tangent means a line which is just touching the point P, and direction of magnetic field is along to the arrow. It is direction of magnetic field at point P. In this way, we can find direction of magnetic field. And tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. Like this is suppose magnetic field lines, and this is point P. So it is your radius, it is your tangent. Tangent means just touch the point. This is direction of tangent. So in this way we can find the direction of magnetic field.